First, good afternoon to all. I will give a quick section about what is Krisp, why we need in our applications, so how to use it. Okay, first let me share my screen. It's visible.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Nowadays, we are facing some issue about noise. No, I think background noise is a big significant problem while we are talking with others through audio or video call. So avoid this. Maybe it will make our interaction is distracting or it's difficult to understand what the others is speaking, no. So overcome this problem, the AI gave one tool is Krisp AI. So Krisp AI is an noise cancelling app for from our audio or video streams. Like they uses neural networks, deep neural networks, which is help us to our audio systems to remove our background noise from our audio input or output audios. So such as during our incoming calls or outgoing calls, or as well as during recording session. So it will very help us to remove our background noise from the audio. So it will make our noise, without noise, it may be clear to, it may be express our noise, sorry, express our audio to clear to all. um, I think it's whether you are working from home or in a traffic area or on any place, any public place, it will remove our background noise from your audio or video. So I think it can support any communication platform such as Zoom or Skype or any platform. So and also you can download on your any OS systems like iOS or Android OS. So the effective way of this tool is an essential tool for all the remote working from, sorry, remote workers or broadcasters. So who they want our sound is make crystal clear sound, no. So this will very help us to remove our noise. So what are the technologies they used as deep neural network. What is deep neural network means, it the only one network, it will remove our background noise from our audio system. So to accomplish this, they are using the technology called training, which means they all neural networks are fed into large amount of data to identify the noise from what the noise looks like and what the noise sounds like. Once they has learned it, after they filter out from audio to remove background noise. So to accomplish these technologies, they are using speech recognitions, signal processing algorithms. Signal processing algorithms, they used as our extract our sound from microphone into their data, that will convert our that analyze our whole audio from our speaker microphone. They will get all the audio from that, then they will produce the current without noise, produce the audio without any noise. So they also use two-way model. It will help us for input and output. Both speakers can be useful for using this technology. Not only microphone, and the speaker also you will get clear speech what they are others speaking. Mm, I think how to use it's very simple to download it from Krisp AI. From Krisp AI you will get the application, then you will get in your system like this. Just your toggle on your microphone switch on, then you will get clear voice from that system. Once you are in meeting, you will I, I will hear example. Go to your settings and
We can't able to see your screen. That app, Krisp app screen.
can you see now? Just one code.
No.
You're seeing the Google browser, Chrome.
Can you see now?
We still see the Google page, Rasma. Probably in that very same tab, you can open up Krisp AI.
Where is the application? Yes, now
You can see now.
Yes.
Once you download from there, you can get this. Once you are switch on your toggle on off here, once you're on your toggle you will get that. Then if you are in Google Meet, sorry, if you are in meeting means by go settings and audio. Once you download from it you will get their option also, Krisp speaker. You will change the option here, Krisp speaker, and here also microphone also you can change the settings. Krisp microphone. Once you change it, you will get clear voice from speaker and microphone also. And the pricing means the free plan also is here. It's for only per week. You will get 190 minutes, I think. And pro plan means you will get $5 for month. You get and user plan also they give for business plans. In your meeting, your group users you will get, it depends on your user. It varies from users, number of users we are get. So I think it's very useful for us to in our client meeting also. So any purpose we have to use. And also have one additional feature has transcription. So transcription means you will get the transcription toggle. In meeting, I am attending meeting here. It will give your full notes what they are speaking in text format. I think yesterday I was attend the yesterday meeting, no? So Chris will give your full audio in text format. One more feature. Sorry. Wait. This will give one more feature here, transcript. This will convert our audio into text format. And also it gives some SDK from GitHub. So here also you will get the SDK from that. So use your native apps to do some task in, for example, if you want to change your audio file into text file, no, so without any noise means you will download from there. So you will get DLL file. So you will use that in your application, real-time application also. So in